Hi, I'm Adam from ADM Roofing. We're just doing a project. It's a Scotch slate roof we're doing, but we're changing it to a Spanish H3 Cooper heavyweight slate, which will be double copper nailed. The roof's probably about over 100 years old. The Spanish H3 Cooper slate we're putting on will have a 100-year guarantee from the manufacturer. On this roof there's going to be a lot of timber repairs as it's been left that long with that many slates out, and we'll maybe need to bring in some joiners to do some structural work, but we're not too sure until we actually take the slates off. So in this project we'll be installing new deep flow guttering, rough cast on the chimneys, new code 5 lead round the chimneys, a new 14-inch zinc ridging and a maintenance free verge with new Spanish Cooper H3 slate.
The team that came out were very friendly, work conscious, and just didn't stop in a very difficult time in December. Yeah, I'm very happy with the result, and I have recommended ADM already and would continue to do so.